Good morning, Arizona, wherever you happen to be. My name is Glenn Haber, the proud owner of Good Works Auto Repair in sunny Tempe, Arizona. And this is another episode of Under the Hood with Glenn. So this morning we had a 2006 Dodge 4x4 2500 come in, and it has some issues, and I'm going to show you the underlying cause of these issues. First and foremost, I want to show you this corrosion that's here on this vehicle. So you can see this vehicle did not come from Arizona. It's got corrosion. Part of the rear quarter panel here is missing on the bed, and there's rust all over the inside and underside of this vehicle. So what I want to show you is what corrosion can do when driving through salty streets with snow and stuff, and it's all kicking up. This vehicle has a faulty wheel bearing, and I'm going to show you that both sides of the vehicle. I'm going to start with the side that's just got a little bit of problem with it. And I'm going to do a little shake and bake here. So as we go back and forth, you can hear a little clicking noise as I move that wheel bearing back and forth. So this one is nominally damaged, but again, the salt seeping into the bearings, eroding and corroding on the bearing system there for the wheel bearing. So this is the side that really caught my tech's attention. And as you can see, there's going to be a huge difference between that side and the other side. This wheel, given maybe a few more 100 miles, is going to literally fall off. It's not the ball joints in the suspension, it's actually the wheel hub in the center. And it's a sealed bearing, and it also has a sensor in it for the ABS, or the anti-lock brake system. And so these things cease to function. Oftentimes the ABS light will come on because that bearing is throwing so much metal into it that it's caused the signal to be damaged or non-functional. And so the ABS light will come on, and then this wheel, they're having a lot of play and steering issues. So this will also cause the tires to lean when the vehicle's down or when you're turning and you're not getting true steering. So it's going to have play in the steering like this. Your steering wheel will not be controlling the vehicle properly, and eventually that bearing will actually break and the whole wheel can come off. So it's really important that the shops are doing good inspections on these vehicles. So it's for the safety and security of those passengers. The driver, the passengers in the vehicle are going to be safe, because if this wheel comes off, the vehicle will veer off and could hit someone else or crash. So it's really important that good inspections are done on vehicles. Wheel bearings are important. ABS systems are important because they help the vehicle to stop evenly when you're in a panic stop. So again, hopefully lesson learned, and make sure that you're going to a quality shop like Good Works Auto Repair somewhere in your neighborhood to get these inspections done every time the oil gets changed, because if they're not, something could be passed by. Obviously this is a first-time customer, and so they probably had this vehicle to many other shops and they never detected this problem where this wheel bearing would have been replaced a long time ago. So we thank you again for your time.